Goedemiddag, we zijn voor de montage.
Round goedemiddag, Orange 7372, start and push.
Orange 7372, push inside Bravo 35, approved.
Push and start approved, Orange 7372.
Flight deck to ground.
KLM 1010 at Alpha 12, the left
We're
turn
ready for the
after
pushback.
Delta Airlines.
Parking brake is set.
You may release the brakes.
Alpha 12 and the left turn after Delta, KLM.
Parking brake is released.
Commencing pushback now, please stand by with
Tango
start.
X-ray, ready for taxi. Contact 5 Tango X-ray, taxi left on Alpha, then Charlie, holding point 36 left.
Left Alpha, then Charlie, holding point 36
You're now
left,
clear to start
contact 5
engine 2
Tango
over the
X-ray.
sequence.
Okay, we'll be only starting number 2. We'll single engine taxi out, so just number 2.
Number 2.
Confirm number 2 clear?
Number 2 clear.
Delta 163 at Whiskey 5, cross runway 36 center.
Delta 163 at Whiskey 5, cross 36 center.
Correct. Easy A3 Charlie Echo, after crossing 121.560, goodbye.
After crossing 121.560, easy A3 Charlie Echo, bye.
Contact 5 Tango X-ray at Whiskey 5,
Push completed, please set the brakes apart.
At Whiskey 5, cross runway
Disconnecting
36
tower now.
center, 5 Tango X-ray.
From 73 Papa Uniform, ready to taxi. From 73 Papa Uniform, taxi via Quebec, holding point 36 left at Whiskey 5, cross runway 36 center.
Okay, via Quebec for holding point 36 left. And
Tower is disconnected.
Runway 36 center, Air France, Papa Uniform.
Delta 163, you can continue on Alpha, so it's a slightly left turn for taxiway Alpha.
Say again for Delta 163.
You can continue all the way via Alpha.
All the way via Alpha, Delta 163.
Delta 163, it's due to work in progress. You will see it on your right hand side shortly, therefore the different routing.
Delta 163.
Flight deck ground.
Go ahead.
You may disconnect. We have a good start on the number 2 engine.
Golf,
See you in the right side.
Disconnecting myself.
Golf taxi, Delta 12, give way to Air France.
Bedankt.
Delta 12, we give way to Air France with 73 Golf.
Delta 39 Echo, request taxi. 39 Echo, taxi via Quebec, holding point 36 left at Whiskey 5, cross runway 36 center. Quebec, Whiskey 5, cross 36 center, 36 left, KLM 39 Echo. 73 Golf, the entry is Alpha 5, but before the left turn at Alpha 5, give way
That's
to Air
one.
France.
Air France is on side, the entry is Alpha 5, and stand Delta 12 with 73 Golf.
73 Golf correct, on the apron, shortest way approved.
Roger. Contact changes, 1 November Bravo, Delta 16, push and start.
Brake released.
Delta 163, continue via Charlie and 12156 after crossing, Delta 163. Ground hello, Torch 3 Uniform Alpha, information number, stand course 2. We request one engine start at the gate, idle power with extra unlimited power.
Turkish 3 Uniform Echo, 1 engine at the gate is approved, report ready for pushback.
Approved and Wilco, Torch 3 Uniform Alpha.
KLM 13 Tango for taxi. KLM 13 Tango, taxi left turn on Alpha, then Whiskey 5 to 36 left, cross runway 36 center.
left Alpha, cross 36 center at Whiskey 5 to 36 left, KLM 13 Tango.
Ground orange 7372.
Orange 7372, hello sir, taxi 36 left Victor 4.
Follow traffic, orange 7372.
Victor 4.
Aircraft 73
As
Papa
planned.
Uniform Tower frequency, nominated
Engine
280.
number 1 starter.
118 bij Papa Uniform.
Alright, KLM 39 Echo for you as well, tower frequency, nominated 280.
Starting number 1 engine.
39 Echo, bye bye.
Zero before takeoff checklist. Generators on. Anti-ice off. Isolation valve auto. Engine start switches continuous. Recall checked.
Checked.
Engine start levers.
I don't need that.
And flaps.
One green light.
Check stabilizer.
To 1 November Bravo, very good day, taxi
6.8
runway 36 left Victor 4.
This is left.
Zero before takeoff checklist completed.
Thank you. Nou, 1,5 minuut bijna sinds stable engines.
Ja, dus ik ga dit eraf zetten. Mag ik hem langs de kant zetten? Is dat
Ja
goed?
hoor, ja, natuurlijk. Maar qua timing komt dat mooi uit, net naar de baan.
Perfect, ja. Minuut en een half nu, perfect. Ja.
Orange 7372, contact tower, 118.280, bye bye.
18280, goodbye, orange 7372. Amsterdam Tower, orange 7372.
Orange 7372, line up a sequence at Victor 4.
Line up in sequence, Victor 4, orange 7372.
Number 3 Tango, runway 36 left, clear takeoff, 05019.
Ja.
Clear takeoff, 36
Approach
left,
is clear.
KLM 13 Tango.
En hij gaat.
Orange 7372, after departure, climb maintain runway track to 2000 feet.
After departures, runway track 2000 feet, orange 7372.
You have controls.
I have controls.
Orange 7372, runway 36 left, clear takeoff, 05019. Stay on the frequency, please.
Clear takeoff, runway 36 left to maintain the frequency, orange 7372.
Okay, take off.
Set. knots.
Check.
South Asia, Z1 November Bravo, 64 ready for departure.
This is 1 November Bravo, low line up away, Victor 4.
Await 64 Jesse 1 November Bravo.
V1.
Rotate. Positive rate.
Geared up. Ja, correcte heading voor de wind.
Within speed.
Check.
Arm and 1.
Check.
Door aan de kilometer 9 Alpha.
1000 to level off.
Check.
Kilometer 9 Alpha, line up sequence Victor 4.
Line up sequence Victor 4, 8 Alpha.
Jersey 1 November Bravo, 36 left, clear takeoff, bye bye.
Takeoff 36 left, Jersey 1 November, bye bye.
Orange 7372, contact departure now, 119055.
119055, tot ziens, Orange 7372.
Bye bye.
Zal ik je speed interference geven?
Ja.
Speed 220.
Check.
Departure Goedemorgen, Orange 7372, passing 1600, climbing 2000 to runway track.
Orange 7372, heading 090.
Okay, heading 090, Orange 7372.
Easy 85 Tango Foxtrot, heading 090, clear data 06.
Heading 090, clear to LS 06, easy 85 Tango Foxtrot.
Running 8660 and at 2000 feet, 1015, clear data 06.
20, we 1015, clear ILS, runway 06, rolling 8366.
Vertical 658, direct Charlie Hotel.
South left, direct Charlie Hotel, Portugal 658.
North Kenya 116, good afternoon. Information echo, disturbing 7000.
Pilot in command.
Kenya 116, ILS 06, information is echo. Echo, Kenya 116.
Orange 7372 to right, heading 330 for base, descend altitude 2000 feet.
Okay, right heading 330 for base and leaving 3000, descending 2000, Orange 7372.
Retard MCP speed.
Checked.
$1,000 to level off.
Check. Flaps 5. $2,500. Checked.
And Romeo Oscar Sierra identified. Kijk, daar is de maan. Mooi.
Een beetje manueel vliegen, maar.
Ja, tuurlijk.
Flight.
Enjoy. Flight directors.
Check.
Orange 7372 to right, heading 035, cleared ILS, runway 06.
Right heading 035 and cleared ILS 06, Orange 7372.
Okay,
Check.
so auto acquire and approach mode selected.
Check.
For lock.
Check.
Captured wel snel.
Approach Golf Alpha Echo, runway heading 2000 feet, request the right turn, heading 210 to intercept the radial 180 outbound.
Golf Echo Echo, that is copied for now. A right turn towards the south is approved. Stand by for the heading 210 due to traffic on the ILS 06.
No problem, heading south, Golf Echo.
Orange 7372, you're number 1. Contact tower on 118-205.
Number 1, 118, small 205, Orange 7372.
Lights open.
06.
You shadow taxi 06, Victor 2.
06, Victor 2, Papa here.
Rotterdam Tower, Orange 7372, established ILS 06.
Orange 7372, hello. Report 3D me.
Call you 3D me, Orange 7372.
Gear down. Flaps 15. Flaps 30. Landing checklist.
147. Landing checklist. Engine start switches.
Continuous.
Speed brake.
Armed.
Landing gear.
Down.
And flaps.
30. Green light.
Landing checklist completed.
Checked.
Orange 7372, runway 06, clear to land, wind 07014, gusting 24.
Clear to land runway 06, orange 7372.
Speed increase.
Ja, is goed.
151.
Check.
Stable.
Check.
Approaching minimums.
Check. Landing.
Check. Speed.
Check.
Minimums. $50, $40, $30, $20, $10.
Speed brake up.
And the Papa Golf Alpha, is there any request?
Cruise is normal.
Golf over, yeah, next target is approved, report over target number 1.
Okay.
Check.
I have controls.
You have control.
Zo, wat breekt het zo?
Breek die zo, ja.
Vraag eens aan hem of we deze Victor 5 mogen.
Can we take Victor 5, Orange 7372?
7372, affirm, Victor 5 is approved, and then taxi to Charlie 1, there will be a marshal to guide you.
Victor 5, Charlie 1, Marshall. Orange 7372, thank you.
Nou, wordt geklappen. Misschien is het een goed moment voor u om even de PA te zeggen 40%, dan neem ik de RT.
Now the Papa Nissan is ready for departure and then a pickup.
Sierra line runway 06.
Lining up for 06, Papa Nissan.
Copy India Sierra left hand circuit for the pickup, runway 06, clear takeoff to wind 06012, gusting 24.
Clear to takeoff, left hand for the pickup and copy to wind Papa Nissan.
URT, no changes.
Check.
Papa Victor Tango leaving over Romeo.
Victor Tango, frequency change approved, goodbye.
Frequency change approved, Papa Victor Tango tot start.
Ik kan eventjes terug iets zeggen.
Ja.
Even te wachten, de linkerkant
Golf Alpha is over target.
En nog meer.
Ja.
Daar ook.
Golf Alpha, roger, report finish.
Yeah, and then one target in the vicinity of the threshold.
Yeah, and first the other one, is that correct?
That's correct, and if possible, I can do it between.
Ja, Golf Alpha, je clear to proceed.
Roger.
Brandweer staat klaar.
Schitterend.
Nou, de Papa Initial running downwind voor de benefit of pick-up request after the pick-up van orbital downwind voor een fotootje van de grond.
Papa India, roger, clear for the pickup, thereafter left and out for an orbit on downwind.
Clear for the pick-up, thereafter left turn voor een orbit on downwind voor een foto. Dankjewel, Papa India.
Dat betekent dat we hier een watersalute of een welkom van de brandweer gaan krijgen. Binnen enkele ogenblikken, zowel op de linkerkant als op de rechterkant, zal de brandweer ons wat spuiten. Dat is niet omdat we in brand staan, dat is gewoon als echo.
Ah, dat is mooi naast die oude Transavia vliegtuigen.
Ja. Het is toch 2 graden, hè? Doen we een CT? Misschien wel, hè?
Ja, doe maar. Doe maar nummer 2. Ja, alles is...
Ja,
check. Ja,
oké.
doe maar het.
Shutting down nummer 2.
Moet de APU starteren, want het is geen GPU. Hoe dan?
Het is zoals ik wil.
Ik zie wel GPU staan.
Ik zal hem misschien toch maar starten,
Ja.
gaan ze niet merken.
Just in case, ja.
Voilà.
Nou, de wipers zometeen, hè?
Ja, absoluut. Niet te snel.
Wel zwaar gaan doen.
Maar dus ik kan het toch eventjes testen. Hè? Ja, oké.
Lights off.
Lights off. Continue is tweede head. Is tweede head.
Okay.
Is tweede head. Is tweede head. En turn.